Okay, just hold. You come northeast, walk me northeast. Defense him now. Listen, walk up. And then everyone to walk up, man. Listen, wake up. Hold on me. Don't reach up yet. What's happening now? Listen, come northeast. Just walk northeast. Walk. Got you. Just walk with me. Help your boss squad. Listen, we're gonna turn soon, okay? Turn west in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. West by the wall. Solve them. More damage. I need more damage, boys. Listen, come back northeast. Just push to northeast now. They're gonna come kite through choke, okay? Listen, come northeast with me. Listen, come northeast with me, man. Can you find me? Listen, stop. Find me now. Find me now. Find me now in lap. Listen, we're gonna hit him by the choke, okay? Walk with me. Wrestle me in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Hit on me now. Solve them. Boys, where the fuck is my DPS? Are we getting lost here? Come back. Nice hit. Nice hit. Yeah. Just come back. Listen. Come back to me. Yo, boys. Hello. Who the fuck are you following, man? I'm in your west side. You're following the bomb squad. Bullshit. Listen, come to me. Hello.
Undercourt enemy.
Hold me. Come northeast. Who the fuck is this? Listen, come.
Shadow court on your west.
Yo, asking. Kalaban, right? Listen, walk me. Southwest, okay? Listen, actually, come back. No, I think they're playing with come back. Come to me.
Bombs engaging.
Yeah, I see them. Hold for now. Listen, stuck on me, my main Zerg. Stop following the bomb squad, man. Holy shit.
Bro, the crown.
Keep the crown.
Holy fuck. I'm missing. I don't have many DPS, man. Just come with me. Come with me.
Kasama pala yung alliance pala nila yung Shadow Court.
Yeah, I know. Listen, just hold me. Listen, hit them the choke, okay? In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Just give me shallow on the choke now. Come back now. Kill us, get the behind. Listen, come back. Bombs coming in. Listen. Yo, DJ, come to me. Follow me. Come southwest with me.
Yo, stop following the bomb squad.
Guys, may gulo.
Come. Listen, careful with this engage. Listen, we're gonna hit them, okay? Just shallow. Shallow. Wait. Listen. Hold this. Listen. Hit them west, okay? Come to me. So come in west in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Directly on me now. Hit the shit. Where's my damage here? Listen. Come back now. Let Western. Yo, give Western space. Give Western space. Listen, hold on me now. Stuck on me again. Yo, stop going back too far, man. Hold for now.
We can flank.
No, we can't. They're just gonna full turn in us, okay? We're just gonna play together with.
Let the bomb squad kill.
Yeah, we have the blings. Yeah, we have the bomb squad to play with together. Just hold.
Kill this.
I-def lang natin sila, pwede na.
Hold for now.
They're backing out.
Kill this mug.
Hold for now. Yo, boss, you're gonna come back if it. Listen, watch for your bomb squad here. Help your bomb squad, okay? Listen, ready? Yo, hit them shallow, okay? Hit them shallow. Wait. Yo, listen, shallow in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Just shallow me. The death tax. Hit the shit. I need more damage. Come back now. Give Western space. Listen, come back. Hold now. Hold for me. Hold now. Yo, I need my DPS to connect, man. Just hold on me. Stop following the bomb squad. Let them do this shit. Kiss the best of us. Just kiss the best of us. Listen. Western pushing here. Listen. 5 me now. We're gonna counter for Western, okay? We're gonna counter for Western. Listen, hold.
No.
Yeah, actually, they're pushing. Listen.
Pushing in.
Yeah. No. Come southwest. Walk with me southwest. Walk with me southwest here. Just keep walking.
No, stop killing the short.
Yo, keep. Tangina, tinadisman tayo. Listen. Walk with me. Just walk. Tangina, di tayo makamatap. Listen. Come with me. Walk northeast. Yo, northwest in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Northwest now. Hit the shit. Let's see. Come back. Fully best proportion. Okay, fully best proportion. Yo, fully best proportion. Walk southeast now. Keep walking southeast. Split for your boys. Listen, come back. Yeah, actually, hold me east. Stay away from the choke. Listen, careful. Listen, come southwest with me. Southwest, stay away from western. Listen, come southwest side now. Southwest side on me. Listen, heal up. Come east. Ready? We're gonna turn shallow southwest and 5. Actually, come back. Careful. Shallow west 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Shallow west naman dito now. Hit the shit. I need more damage. Listen, come back now. Come back. Full come back. Push us out. This is defensive. Where's my defensive here? Listen, come back. Full come back. We're gonna take southeast side. Okay, Listen, hold on me now. Hold me. Help your Bubba Squad here. Listen, rotate. Come on. Walk north with me. Listen, walk north with me. Listen. Collide with Western now. Collide with Western and hold. Hold on me. Regain come back, boys. Okay? Hold on me now. Listen. Walk with me now. Southeast in 5, 4. Listen. Walk. In 3, 2,
That's
1.
Western.
Yeah, I know. Chance. Hit this out. You hit this out in hounds. Listen. Defensive. Defensive. Heels apart. Listen, come back now. Listen, always take northeast side, okay? Always take northeast side on me. Listen, ball against the side. Ball against the side and hold. Hold for now. Top off. Listen, top off. Heal up. Listen, heal up. Hold on me. Southwest, okay? Choke in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Don't choke southwest now. 7. Nice it. Come back northeast. Come back east. Listen, come back northeast now. Northeast. Actually. Walk me north.
That's Western Paradise now.
Yeah. Just hold on me. Hold me. Stuck on me. Stop running around, okay? Listen, just hold. Where's enemies now? Are they catting southeast? Listen, hug with me. Hug northeast side and walk with me.
Dito is heading southeast. Southeast sila. Every.
Yo, actually, come back. Come to us. Mount up now. Mount up. Come northeast with me. Listen, I need info now. Where's my info now? Come northeast.
The
Where's enemies now?
southeast is the nomad.
Southeast? Like directly southeast of the Terry?
Yeah.
Okay, listen.
They're running.
Running. What's happening now? Running towards where? Southwest?
Southeast. Wait, let me scout mo. Yan. Nandito na sila pa.
Yo, listen, come back. Are they fighting? Are they pushing western right now? Listen, come to me. Yo, dismount on me.
Ito. This is the backline to Weeds. Some of them are
Just walk together.
mounted up.
Got you. Listen, on top of us in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Everything with this guy. Kill this guy. Listen, walk up. Walk slowly now, 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 walks. Yo, actually, hold on, hold for now, 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 hold for now. Western down, western northeast of us, right? Listen, walk, just walk. Walk for now, hug the southwest, hug the southwest, hug southwest side, hug southwest side, hug southwest side, okay, hug southwest side, hug southwest side, hug southwest side. Listen, just walk for now. Stay away from the northeast side, okay? Stay away from the northeast side. Just walk and hug west. Just walking hug west. Just walking hug west, okay? Just walking hug west. Just walk. Just walk. Hold on, don't walk through yet. Don't walk through yet. Don't walk through yet. Just sit. Hold now. Walk it slowly. Now walk it slowly. Just walk it slowly. Come west side. Walk. Just keep walking. Northwest deep in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Northeast now. Watch out this. Northeast on me. Listen. Keep walking now. We're gonna take northwest side, okay? Listen. Keep walking now. 5 minutes. We're gonna take northwest angle. Listen. Hold now. Hold on me. Careful. Di ba check the time, okay?
Kiting north.
Got you. Just keep walking with me now. Keep walking with me. East. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. East side now. Hit the shit. I need more damage, boys. Listen, my DPS. You need to follow through, man. Listen. Come back. Stay away from the north side, okay? Just keep walking and follow me. Keep walking and follow me. Inside now. Listen. Come to me. South in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Directly south now. Hit the shit. I need damage now. Nice hit. More damage, boys. Listen, come back now. Come back northeast now. And hold now. Yo, find me, boys. Find me. Hold on me. Listen, come southwest. Walk me southwest. South in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Shadow south. Damage here. Come back fast. Pin for your boys. You should be good. Just keep walking northeast. We're gonna let them salvage, okay? Listen, hold on. Hold on me now. Listen, my Locust. Yo, listen, Locust, can you play offensive for now? I need my Elsa and Locust to play offensive, okay? Just hold for now. Got you. Just hold for now. Listen. Come northeast. Walk me northeast. Northeast side. Directly west, okay? In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Directly west in the back line now. Hit the shit. Listen. Get. Yo, kite towards northeast now. Pop your bushes now. Yo, listen, pop your bushes now. Pop your bushes now. Keep walking. Yo, we're gonna turn the choke again. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Turn the choke now. Hit the shit. I need damage, boys. Listen. Damage. Defensive now. Come southeast. This is the different Zerg. Listen, come southeast. Actually, just pull out. Holy shit, this is a different Zerg. It's Macaron. Listen. Pull up.